Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola One Fusion Plus, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification. Now, as you can see, the phone in front of me is already locked, and to begin the process we will need to have a internet connection, and from there you want to go back to the first page and change the language to any kind of language that uses different keyboards. So Greek, Russian, things like that will work just well enough. So there we go, there's Greek, and let's go forward. And you want to get back to the same place that we were just at, which is the Google verification. From here, tap on a field and then hold the globe icon next to the space, and then tap on the last option, text right there, add a keyboard at the bottom, and choose any kind of option that doesn't have a arrow, because as you can see there are several with arrows. So choose ones without. Tap on the add and tap right here again to add another one. Again, choose one without an arrow, add, and from here we can go back again to the first page and change the language back to English. And again, skip through most of this back to the locked screen. Again, tap on a field, hold globe icon, go to language settings, add a keyboard, and now choose one with an arrow. And from here you will have a couple different options, so disregard that. We're interested in the three dots right up here, and what you want to do is tap on the help and feedback. This will open up the help and feedback with describe your issue window, so you want to tap on it, and let's change the keyboard right here by holding again the globe icon and just selecting QWERTY, which for me is the second option, and type in Morse code. Typing just MO seems to do the trick, so use Morse code. So as suggested, click on it. There we go. And from here, click on the video and let it kind of load up. It will give us a option right here, so three dots, and choose watch later, and this will open up the web browser. So let's tap on accept and continue, no thanks. And then at the top you want to navigate to HardReset.info website. Like so, and let's go. And from here, tap on the three bars and go to the download category. In the download search field, you want to look for Android 7.1.2. Like so. Search, and there should be only one thing, as you can see, so click on the download, scroll down, and this time around hold the download link and choose to open an incognito tab. Now this way we will skip some kind of problem where sometimes the download starts, gets to 100% but never finishes, and because it never finishes we can never open it. Opening it up in incognito solves that problem. So from here, tap on OK. As you can see, it begins downloading. Once it's done downloading, we're going to open it up. There we go. So click on open. Go to settings. Enable allow from this source and go back. Click on install and simply let it install. Once it's done installing, click on done. Go back once more, and this time around in the search bar for the download you want to search for settings. Like so, let's search. Click on the download link, again scroll down and hold the download, choose open an incognito tab. OK. And open it up. Install, open, and OK. And from here you want to go to apps and notifications, see all 38 apps, then tap on the three dots and go to show system and scroll down to G. There we go. So once we're under G, you will look for Google Play Store and Play Services. So those two that are right up here. And then tap on Play Services, disable app. Go back, Play Store, disable app. Now once you have disabled both of them, let's go back once more, and once more. Now I will add, if you go back a little bit too far, it will bring you back to the web browser. If that has happened, simply re-download the settings app, reinstall it, and then click again to open it up to get back here. There's no other way to get back. So from here, you want to scroll down to Accounts, tap on Add Account, and choose Google. And once you do, it will give you a message that app has crashed, the one that we have installed as the first one. So from here, continue, and there we go, bypass FRP ROM. That stopped working. There we go. Now click off the screen, it doesn't really matter, it has done its job. And from here you want to tap on the field and log in with your Google account. Now if you don't have a Google account, you can always create one. It doesn't really matter, it doesn't need to be old. You can create one specifically for this purpose, and once you do, simply log in with it. I have my account, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to put in a password. Tap on next and let it log in. As you can see, once it does, it gives us the terms of service. So let's choose I agree, let it log in. Again, the app will now keep crashing till we perform a reset of the device, but it doesn't matter, it allowed us to add a Google account. That's what the app was for. So from here, go back, and now you want to re-enable the apps that we have disabled. So let's again go to C Alt 38, tap on three dots, show system, scroll down to G, and re-enable Play Services, and re-enable Play Store. Once you enable those two apps, hold Power key, select Restart, and let's wait for the device to restart. So from here, let's go through the setup process. Now you will see a key difference right now, that once we get to the verification screen, it will tell us that account has been added. There we go. And it provides me with the account that I have inserted right before the restart of the device. Tap on next, completely bypassing this for now. Now keep in mind the device is still not fully unlocked. So you want to basically progress through the setup as quick as possible, and from home screen we're gonna then go to the settings to reset the device, which will then unlock the device. And as you also seen, there's the app that has keeps crashing still. Let's skip. Okay, so there we go, we're done with the setup for now. And let's go to the settings. Scroll all the way down to System, tap on Advanced and choose Reset Options. Select Erase All Data Factory Reset. As you can see, it gives us a message that performing this will remove the Google account that we have added, but will also remove the account that was previously blocking us. So tap on Erase All Data, and the process will now begin. Now this will take about a minute or so, or maybe more. And once it's finished, we will be then greeted with the Android setup screen once more, but this time around the device will be fully unlocked. So I'll be back once the process is finished. From here, as you can see, now the process is finished, so you can now set up your device as however you like. Now I'm going to primarily skip again most of the stuff, but if you want, you can connect to Wi-Fi. You can skip it if you want to, as you can see, which previously was not an option. You can also add your Google account, set protections and all that stuff. Everything will be working just fine, but to save on time, I'm just skipping most of it. And you'll see right now that There is no need to verify anything. The device basically goes through the setup process as it would as a new device. And there we go. So you can see we're now completely finished with the bypass. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.